Hi, with this new update, now you can accept online payments via credit card, debit card, RuPay card, net banking, wallet, EMI, probably all mode of payments. Earlier it was only UPI, but now you can accept payments via any mode of payment. To use this feature, you have to download latest update version 6.5.5. You can go to help and download beta program, or the link in the description is given. You can download from there. After downloading, open it, go to settings, online invoice payment settings. A new window will open. You have to click on online mode, click on cash free. If you are using for the first time, click create new account. It is totally free. You have to fill your information and submit the form. Just fill in your information and submit the form. In case you face the issue while filling the form, no problem. I have pasted a link in the description. Just open it and fill in the information. You can copy the link. This is the link in the description. Just copy it, open in Chrome or Mozilla or any browser and fill in the information. It will ask some information like your name, your phone number, your business name. Website is optional. Just brief about your business, like what do you do, like grocery shop or saloon or restaurant, and your company type, whether it's a private limited or proprietor or public. Just type in the information. Company PAN number is important. If you don't have company PAN number, no problem. You can type the personal PAN number, your individual PAN number. Then it will ask for the GST number. If you have, you can type your GST number, and then it will ask something like PAN card scan copy, your company letter of incorporation, and cancel check. Just fill in the information and press the submit button. Your form will be submitted. Once you have submitted the form, you will receive the email ID and password within 24 hours from Cash Free. Within 24 to 48 working hours, you will receive an email with email ID and password. Once you receive email, just open the Cash Free account, enter your email ID and password, log in there. Once you have logged in on the Cash Free, just go to left side menu, go to credentials, it will ask for the password again. Just type your password, confirm. You will get app ID and secret. Now open bookkeeper, go to settings, again online invoice payment settings, Cash Free. Click on I already have an account. You have to enter that ID and secret over there. Over here you have to enter app ID and secret. Click on preferred mode and press the save button. That's it. Your all the settings has been done. Now you can start receiving the payments. Let's see how it works. Just make a sale invoice. As you do, just enter the customer name, whatever name you want to type, and type his phone number. If you have already typed, it will come automatically, and save it. Just add some item. Let's make a simple invoice. I'm adding an item Ashirwad Atta with the rate 250, adding the GST over there 262.50. Let's save it and view the invoice. Your invoice is ready, and if you see QR code is available, QR code, this code can be scanned by any mobile, any camera, no need of any special application. You can take a print, your user can scan it, you can mail it, your user can scan it, or user can click on it to make the payment, and he can make the payment via credit card, debit card, wallet, net banking, pay later, any type of payment, not just a UPI. He can make the payment by any mode of payment. If you have sent PDF file to your customer, he can click on it, make the payment via card, via UPI, wallet, net banking, pay later, via any mode of payment. As soon as you have made the payment, you will be able to see on the cash free dashboard. On cash free dashboard, you will be able to see the payment live instantly. Not only this, in bookkeeper you can also check the payment. As soon as he had made the payment, you can see in both in cash free as well as in bookkeeper. Just go to tools, online invoice payment status. It will show you your all the invoices, and see it is showing INV 8 unpaid and INV 9 payment received. Not only this, you can make the receipt directly from here. No need to enter detail, no need to do anything. You can directly make the receipt directly from this window itself. On the top, just click on payment received, check your invoice and click on create receipt. There is a button on the top, create receipt. Receipt generated, very simple. Your receipt has been generated automatically for this invoice. Let's view the invoice. Click here and see your invoice is paid, and just view the invoice. It will show you the paid stamp automatically. Not only this, if you view the receipt voucher has been created. If you view it, it has been set off against the invoice number 9 automatically. Everything has been done automatically. Now let's see the charges or the commission. We have kept it the minimum of the minimum. If you compare all other websites, whether it's a Razorpay or Paytm or Instamoj or any other website, we have done exclusive tie-up for bookkeeper users. They get the minimum commission charge from cash free. Not only this, if you are going to register today, they are running an offer up to 3 lakh rupees. You don't have to pay any commission charge. Up to 3 lakh rupees, no commission charge. Whether you are receiving payment via credit card or debit card or any mode of payment, you don't have to pay anything. We have done exclusive agreement for bookkeeper users. No annual fees, no commission charge up to 3 lakh rupees till the offer is going on, and the lowest charge in the industry. As of now, you can compare other websites. It's the lowest charge. If you still need some help, you can drop us an email, support@bookkeeperapp.net. If you need some help, feel free to write us. We will be happy to help you out. Thank you very much.